but we will deal with you. Because we didn't tell you to play Godwin. You just came and played Godwin. But hallelujah, God has won.
But all the same, God will win. Yes.
Hey!
Why I say?
Yes, if you just following, you know, say na Bobos Yamiris, and you know, say next first, now the show, the carry come giving all the attention and things where they happen on top Bobos them and babies. And I'm never alone. You know, I'm always here with my criminals.
Excuse me, before you do the introduction, let me introduce our boy that made us proud. You know, we have groomed this our boy so well that we are confident of we release him to the world and he goes out and
go ye into the world
and he multiplies.
Mobilize the world.
Please make welcome for the one and only the GCFR, that is the Grand Commander or Grand Comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the Grand Commandant Comedian of the Bobos Yanba,
aka Orubebe.
He demanded a life. Please put your hands together for Shakara.
Nice one.
But why not you choose to be Orubebe?
No, you know, because I don't tease the man too much after that.
You don't think you have that tendencies of being
No, I cannot do that. I don't feel do that.
You know, your public conduct is very good.
Yes, it's very good. you know very well. You know. I just like to interpret the role.
The role.
It's a nice one.
No. Yeah, he made us proud. But what's
today? Today, when I don't see my criminals, now Shakara be this. If you just join this show for the first time, MC Shakra.
I see you. I agree.
Why I said.
And now who go be this? In case you join the show for the first time.
And now who go be this? Person house boy.
Nah, the Ashawo of this show. Shut up here.
Insta, please. Insta just finish, please.
Insta just finish. Your baby don't
all
do.
the same.
And you pour some milk for the baby.
I've not gone to salon for like.
Wait, make I finish the introduction.
We don't want to hear your own again.
Make it talk introduction. Come on.
This is Showman, aka I want to marry Buhari's daughter.
My brother, God will win. God will win. I must.
I bet today, matter what we talk about today now.
Make a link with this Buhari daughter.
Now Buhari daughter, he go link.
He go link, right?
She be Buhari daughter na woman. Abi? He did very
No.
Buhari daughter na man.
You know, say he gets waiting with a call circumcision.
And now
we know say I caught to know some things. We know say for some places they not really too like him because they say that bad thing against women. But where we won't carry our matter go today now because he get just where we hear say cranking things for some way they circumcised. He did somehow. And some way they don't circumcise. He see they somehow. So the matter is very simple. Let's place two of them together. Inside the one with the circumcised and the one with the no circumcised. Which one the sweet pass from cranking?
I'll talk about where I just carry the drink, go man.
Talk about cranking. Yeah.
Stop cranking.
Because that cranking matter I want to talk about today. You know why? Because we are approaching the season that people are getting close and clinching, getting married.
But to the best of my knowledge,
let's talk about sex, baby.
to the best of my knowledge,
me.
Let's talk about
all the good things and the bad things, sex, baby. Let's talk about sex.
Okay.
Let's talk about Shakara, go ahead.
Thank you, my lovely choir. Thank you for the chorus. But seriously, like I said, to the best of my knowledge, I don't really know which one is sweet part, but I know some girls who they know circumcised, they like cranking past
the girls who they know circumcised.
Yes. They like cranking past the ones with them circumcised.
Okay, let me come.
So I call the look
but
and
wait,
say,
how you tell no? Wait, if you don't know, I don't know the ones where they circumcised and
no, because I don't crank the one with them never circumcised
and the one with them circumcised. So you know the difference.
So, but me, I don't know which one the sweet pass according to your question. So I could take them from the angle of the one where they enjoy and pass, we like and pass. Those ones where they never circumcised. They know. Them when they watch now, they know. Say they are this thing, they read like this. You know, say that thing where they're supposed to cut and come out. Since they don't cut and come out, they
Why you feel say they're supposed to cut and come out?
No, that be the circumcision now.
Yeah, but you say
so
they're supposed.
So I call the feel say, since now them they like and pass, that means na them you go the sweet pass. So that means na them sweet pass.
No, let me jump in there. First and foremost, the reason why I feel say most parents they say me they circumcise girls, and mostly are from the northern side.
Now the northern side.
Plenty
for northern side.
Now because I just want to do an example now. You know, say woman that thing clitoris where now that thing they cut come out. You know, say they believe say. If some women they wear their clitoris, they very
no be the cut.
Now around that side, they
it be like lip on top clit.
That's it.
Cut come out.
That's you know
they can't cut your talk well. They can't cut your clitoris away.
Not be all the clitoris.
You want
that thing, that thing. They talk say if they rub with their clothes or their jeans or anything, say you go. You know say when man they carry tongue, they give woman mutu adepoju.
Okay.
You know why that place they excite woman well. So they believe say when they come out that thing, they don't make their women they too like cranking. You understand? Now why is they want sex? You say once they come out that thing, they know too they like sex. So women too when they don't cut that thing come out, they always they hard to please. Sexually.
Many day.
Okay,
I believe say many ladies.
That's the reason why we they get some things where they hear say some women know they reach their climax.
That most of them, if you check, I give you an assignment from today.
Only because of that thing, no. Not because of that thing. I mean,
no. Most of them from that thing. Check woman where they don't circumcise. In sex, okay, they give them. If you want give a head. For where you want to put your tongue?
See, that thing, I just cover. We cover clit. No be say you get anything to do with it. It's just like man own. The dick they dey on his own, you understand? But you get this skin we cover am.
Man own they come out the man's skin.
Now that skin. That's what man dey. Na small skin we cover here. Na him be the whole thing wey dey circumcise.
Okay, I want if we go look am like this, I won't look am say because I dey believe say if you talk say the ones wey they no circumcise, no they enjoy, right? I mean,
then they like and pass.
The
ones wey they no circumcise.
But now I want if
the ones wey them know
wey they no circumcise.
Now they like and pass.
Now they like cranking pass.
We fit talk say the ones them when they say they no comot am. Say na him they make them know they reach that climax. Because a lot of women these days they always tell you them
reaching climax and this thing no get anything to do with
no. I just because I believe they talk say that thing na their G sport. No, it dey connected because they say that thing na their G sport. Now that particular sport,
be the thing.
But that thing
where they make you know.
It just be like
now like you want start moto.
Wait, see, I'll give you an example.
But Shakara, you know what? You know I'm not happy with you.
And they come, see that, and they tell you the truth. See
no,
that
but
skin.
As an experienced man, if you compare the two, where you don't do. Me, I know say I'm still
you never do
new in the game. I never crank. But if you compare your own, say okay.
You never do it.
I talking to Shakara. The one you don't circumcise.
You never do it.
Okay, the one where you don't circumcise.
You never do it.
Let's say no, may I explain this and give you. Because I don't tell you something.
Why you go start by saying you will never crank? Why you make moderator verse?
Let me verse for you now.
So wait, if you say me I don't crank for this life, why they so? Well, I leave all this, that's why they make you. I know it's so. No be lie, yo. I have a mission to marry a virgin as Buhari's daughter is a virgin. Virgin,
the girl said free verse with you now. Who said that idiot? That Chris.
If you watch out with the father, you say, Buhari's daughter is a virgin. For where? You should not forget your father there. No, but honestly, okay, ma forget about my history or whether I don't do or not. When you compare, if you compare these two now, circumcised girl and the way they reverse circumcised, which one you will feel say? Immediately you start with the crank. They enjoy the sex immediately.
May we never enter that one. We don't talk small. Make we go street. Go ask people. Wait till they feel on top of this matter. But matter what they talk about today, they're very specific. Circumcision. The one with baby they circumcised, the one with they circumcised. Which one they sweet pass for bed, or which one they enjoy cranky pass? I bet we they come back when we hear waiting people get off for street.
Huh? Don't the circumcise.
No, where they no circumcise. Now the one where they no circumcise.
Madam. Actually, me no know. I never meet woman with this circumcised before, and I never meet the one with this circumcised before. So, make I ask you the same question: How you go take no woman with this circumcised and the one with not circumcised?
Well, me I no fit explain because I never experienced them, so I don't know.
Actually, I know if you answer this question, and at the same time, but like for my understanding as a Christian, I also know that it is not okay to circumcise a woman.
Because it's natural. It's natural, so that one is better. And you know, she don't have any side effect, and she did not go through any pain. So, personally, out of experience, the one where no circumcise is better.
That one goes sweet now. You know, see, but that one we say don't circumcise with, and as in, you know, do okay again.
There are some girls that when you're having fun with them, some will just sleep like dead body. Some will just do, ooh yeah, you understand what I'm saying? So I believe the one that they circumcise, those ones, as in they feel it more than those ones that they don't circumcise because they don't feel it. So that's the thing. That's why it's good to circumcise your daughter or your girl when you give birth to them.